Nestled on the banks of the Danube lies a masterpiece that dominates the skyline. But why was this specific building chosen to house Hungary's National Assembly? Let's uncover its history. This architectural marvel sits on Kossuth Square in the Pest side of Budapest. Designed by architect Imre Steindl, it was completed in 1902 as a massive neo-Gothic complex. The construction wasn't just about space, it was a major national project. Leaders wanted to symbolize Hungary's strong commitment to the democratic values and institutions of Western Europe. Specifically, they admired Britain's parliamentary system. The building was conceived as a powerful symbol of national unity, mirroring the political structure admired by 19th-century Hungarian leaders. Today, it functions as the seat of the National Assembly, where key political decisions are made. It occupies a prominent location on the eastern bank, facing across from Buda. Since its completion, it has remained the largest building in Hungary. It serves as an extensive legislative complex and a lasting national symbol of governance and statehood. Today, it remains one of the most visited sites in the world, with tickets often selling out quickly due to its status as a premier historical and architectural landmark. So there you have it, a building designed to bridge Hungarian pride with Western democratic ideals. What other European landmarks do you think serve a similar symbolic purpose? Let me know in the comments.